Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best bearing puller strong grip, delivering smooth extraction performance for automotive and industrial repair tasks efficiently every time. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Disassemb Armature Bearing Puller. This 9-piece bearing remover set is designed for precise internal extraction tasks where standard pullers fail. Built from high-quality alloy with anti-rust treatment, it delivers long-term durability for both professional mechanics and DIY users. The split collet design allows it to grip bearings from the inside securely, making it highly effective for blind housing and internal bearing removal applications. With size coverage ranging from 8mm to 32mm, it supports a wide variety of bearing dimensions, making it versatile for automotive, machinery, and general workshop use. Each collet is engineered to fit snugly, reducing the risk of slipping or damaging surrounding components during extraction. The black and silver finish not only enhances corrosion resistance, but also improves tool longevity under heavy use. Its compact 9-piece configuration ensures easy storage and quick selection during work. The tool is especially useful for removing guide bushings and stubborn bearings that are deeply seated.
Number 2. DPL Pulling Bearing Puller. The DPL 28-piece pull press sleeve kit is a comprehensive solution for removing bushes, bearings, seals, and spindles with controlled precision. Designed for mechanical and automotive repair work, the kit includes multiple sleeves that allow users to match the exact size needed for different applications. The system works by applying even pressure during removal, reducing the chance of damaging surrounding parts. Each component is crafted for durability, ensuring reliable performance under repeated use in workshop environments. The wide range of adapters makes it suitable for both small and medium-sized bearing systems, offering flexibility for various repair tasks. This kit is especially useful in suspension work, engine maintenance, and general machinery servicing where tight-fitting components are common. The organized layout helps users quickly identify the required sleeve, improving efficiency during repair operations.
Number 3. Collet Curved Bearing Puller. The Collet Curved Bearing Puller is a heavy-duty internal extraction tool built for demanding maintenance and repair work. Constructed from drop-forged, heat-treated, high-hardness steel, it offers exceptional strength and resistance to wear. The black oxide coating enhances corrosion protection, ensuring long-term durability even under frequent use. Its 3-jaw collet system is designed to grip internal bearings securely, allowing smooth and controlled extraction without damaging surrounding components. The mechanism operates by selecting the appropriate collet size, inserting it into the bearing's inner ring, and tightening the central rod using a wrench. This mechanism provides stable pulling force, making removal efficient and safe. It includes multiple collet sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of bearing types and diameters used in automotive and industrial applications. The included storage box ensures organized placement of components, protecting them from loss and damage while improving portability. Additional hooks enhance flexibility, allowing easier access in tight or complex spaces.
Number 4. Blind Hammer Bearing Puller. The Blind Hammer Bearing Puller is a versatile slide hammer-based tool designed for removing tightly fitted internal bearings with controlled impact force. Built with a durable metal shaft and housed in a sturdy plastic carrying case, it's engineered for both portability and strength. The slide hammer mechanism allows users to generate strong pulling force without damaging surrounding components, making it ideal for stubborn or deeply seated bearings. It comes with multiple clamp sizes, ranging from 8mm to 32mm, ensuring compatibility with a wide variety of bearing dimensions used in automotive and machinery repair. The tool operates by attaching the appropriate clamp inside the bearing, then using the slide hammer to apply repeated, controlled impacts until the bearing is released. This method is particularly useful when conventional pullers cannot access or grip the component effectively. The included set variations, such as 9-piece and 10-piece configurations, enhance flexibility for different repair scenarios. The compact hammer design allows easy handling even in tight spaces, while the long shaft provides sufficient leverage for efficient removal.
Number 5. FWD Bearing Puller. The FWD bearing dismantling and installation tool is a comprehensive 30-piece set designed specifically for front wheel bearing removal and installation tasks in automobiles. Made from high-carbon steel, it delivers strong structural integrity and long-lasting durability under heavy mechanical stress. The kit includes multiple disc sizes and bearing sleeves, allowing precise matching for a wide range of vehicle applications. This ensures compatibility with various wheel bearing dimensions commonly found in automotive systems. The tool is engineered to support both removal and installation processes, making it a complete solution for wheel hub maintenance. Its design allows even force distribution, reducing the risk of damaging bearings or surrounding components during operation. The included screw sets M12 and M14 provide additional flexibility for different assembly requirements. Each component is manufactured to meet strict quality standards, ensuring reliable performance in professional workshop environments. The organized set layout improves efficiency by keeping all parts easily accessible during repair work. It is especially useful for mechanics working on front-wheel drive vehicles where precise bearing handling is essential. Overall, this toolset provides strength, accuracy, and versatility, making it a dependable choice for automotive wheel bearing servicing tasks. And that wraps up the top 5 best bearing pullers. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.